here problem number one. What are the two numbers that multiply the product 10 and when added the sum is 7? Okay, so in here we are going to do this formula here as a representation. Okay, it says here multiply, or put multiplication sign. The product is 10. Then when added, put a plus sign as addition. The sum is 7. So we are looking for the two numbers. The numbers here. Two numbers will multiply. Two numbers here will multiply. Product is 10. And two numbers here, when added, the sum is 7. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do now here is to find the factors of 10. Factor of 10. Okay, let's wait. Okay, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Okay, so we have here 1 times 10. Because we cannot make it 1 times 2. So the product 1 times 2 is 2. So let's go to 1 times 10. 1 times 10. The product is 10. But if we're going to add this 1 plus 10, the sum is 11. So this one here is incorrect, right? Because the problem is the two numbers, so we have these two numbers here, we multiply, sum is 10, this is correct. Okay. But when we add two numbers, the sum is 11. So this is wrong. This is incorrect. Right? Okay, so yes. Alright.
2 times 5.
Okay, 2 times 5. So let's go to 2 and 5. Okay, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. How about if we are going to add 2 plus 5 is 7. Correct. You're correct. Therefore, the two numbers that we are looking for are 2 and 7. Okay. Two numbers. 2 and 5. Mad, okay. Okay, so we already solved the problem number 1. So let's go to problem number 2. Okay, the same solution, same formula, like this. Okay, so okay, who can read this? Number 2. Do you want to read this Matthew for me? Okay, thank you. Okay, so what are the two numbers that will multiply? Product is 6. And when added, the sum is 5. So we're looking for two numbers. Okay, same. Okay, so we have here the choices. The letter A, 3, and 3. Letter B, 2, and 5. Then letter C, 3 and 5.
So we're trying to get 6.
Hmm?
We're trying to get 6.
Yeah, when we're going to
I see we should do 3.
let's
B and A. Or A and B.
let's try this
3 times 2.
on x or multiplication. Then
Wait, is it?
oh sorry, this is gonna be 3.
5 times.
My bad. It's 3. Okay. So we multiply product 6. Then added the product 5. The sum is 5. Sorry, mama. So 2 numbers here. Okay. Okay. Factors of 6. Okay. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. So we don't have 1 times 6 here, the choices, right? So let's go to 3 times 3. That would be 9. So this is wrong. Okay. So let's erase this. Let's remove this one here. This is wrong. Okay. So how about 2 times 3? Okay. 2 times 3. Answer is 6. Correct. So how about if we add 2 plus 3? So 2 plus 3, answer is 5. Okay. Therefore, the two numbers that we're looking for are 2 and 3. Okay. 2 and okay. So now for the problem number 3. Okay. So I want you to solve this problem. What are the two numbers that when multiplied the product is positive 4, positive 4, and when added the sum is negative 4. Okay, just comment your answer below. Thank you. Bye.